ready to get your products into Amazon's fulfillment centers and unlock the power of FBA. Let's dive straight into creating your Amazon shipment plan. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're in, navigate to the Inventory tab and select Manage FBA Shipments. Here, you'll see an option to create a new shipment. Click on that to begin the process of getting your products to Amazon. Now, you need to choose your shipping workflow. For most sellers, the inventory placement service is the most straightforward. This option sends all your products to a single Amazon fulfillment center. Next, it's time to select the products you want to ship. You can either search for existing products in your inventory or add new ones. Make sure to select the correct quantity for each item you're sending. Amazon needs to know how your products are packaged. If you're sending individual items with their own F and SKU labels, choose individual products. If your products are already packaged in cases with identical items, select case-packed products and specify the quantity per case. You'll then need to confirm your ship from address. This is the location where your inventory is being sent from. Double-check that this information is accurate. Amazon will then present a summary of your shipment. Review the products and quantities to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Once confirmed, your shipment plan will be generated, and you'll receive a confirmation with a unique FBA shipment ID. This ID is crucial for tracking your inventory. The final step is to print your Amazon issued FBA labels. These labels contain all the necessary information for Amazon to identify and process your inventory. Apply these labels clearly to each individual unit of your product. Now you're ready to package your products according to Amazon's guidelines and schedule a pickup or drop off your shipment at a designated carrier location. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Amazon FBA shipment plan.